Yes, people. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at what Bitcoin mining is, but what is also crypto mining on Fidelity. So let's take a look here. So what is crypto mining? Crypto mining is a process in the blockchain networks, like for example, Bitcoin and other cryptos, used to finalize transactions. It's called mining because this process also releases new coins into circulation. Basically, crypto mining is really just guesswork with a monetary incentive. So that's proof of work, for example. But you need a lot of computing power to do it. So you need energy to be able to mine. So obviously, Bitcoin is one of the biggest ones in terms of cryptos that people mine to get a reward, so a monetary reward. So let's take a look how it works here. Okay, so this diagram on the left, it says you've got these symbols hash A, hash B. So let's take a look what that is. So each block on the blockchain has a mathematical puzzle encrypted within it. Crypto miners compete, so they complete to solve the puzzle. So they complete these puzzles in order to solve the issues there. So it's a mathematical puzzle on the blockchain there. Then you see here on the right hand side, crypto miners use specialized high energy computers, aka nodes. These computers use trial and error, guessing repeatedly until they find a solution for the puzzle. The more power a crypto miner uses, the more attempts they can make to solve the puzzle. So obviously, if you've got more power, more energy, then you've got more potentials to actually try and solve that puzzle, more guesses. That's why when people do things like Bitcoin mining or mining for crypto, it requires high levels of energy. So you use high levels of electricity. There are some Bitcoin farms where people use, for example, solar power, and there's some like more industrialized ones, and there's some more smaller scale ones, depending on who's actually doing the mining, whether that's an institutional level, governmental level, or just an individual. Okay, the first computer to accurately find the solution is able to add the block to the blockchain and is rewarded new Bitcoin, aka a block reward. So you can see there on the right hand side. So, did you know these specialized computers can generate over 1 quintillion random codes per second? That's a number with 18 zeros, bearing in mind a million has 6 zeros. So, you can see how the capacity is there. Mining difficulty. So, when you're doing crypto mining or if you're doing Bitcoin mining, mining difficulty is automatically adjusted higher or lower in regards to maintaining a specified block time, which is how long it takes for crypto miners to solve that puzzle. Okay, so you can think of a treasure chest with a combination lock. The first person to guess the right combination wins what's inside. Once solved, another one automatically appears and the process repeats. Obviously, with this metaphorical example, the winner will get a Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin mining difficulty is adjusted roughly every 2 weeks, so every fortnight or 2016 blocks, and a new block is solved roughly every 10 minutes. So, what do those crypto miners do? Those people who are mining for Bitcoin, for example, they verify transactions, they secure the network, and they circulate new coins. So, when it comes to verifying, crypto miners make sure each transaction is legitimate. Traditional banks do this behind the scenes, and transactions can take days to fully process, whereas crypto mining verifies transaction within minutes and makes them visible for everyone to see. So, secure the network. Bitcoin's transaction history is public, which helps eliminate the potential of double spending and makes the network almost impossible to hack. Crypto miners can identify malicious attempts and then reject them. When it comes to circulation of new coins, crypto miners are rewarded for their time and processing power with new coins. So if someone is doing Bitcoin mining, for example, once they've completed the process, then they will get a new coin, a new Bitcoin. However, networks like Bitcoin aim to reduce their reliance on this incentive in the future. Obviously, Bitcoin only has a certain amount of coins circulating. So once that finishes, that's it. So proof of work versus proof of stake. Proof of work. So before that, we'll see that there are two well-known methods to validate crypto transactions: consensus and mechanisms. So the proof of work. Blockchains like Bitcoin use proof of work mining, which is a competition among participating miners to guess the correct password or hash and ultimately earn rewards like new native coins and transaction fees. Proof of stake. Blockchains like Ethereum use proof of staking, which randomly chooses validators based on how much stake they have on the blockchain, meaning they need to have a certain amount of specific coin to be considered. Crypto stakers are rewarded with new native coins plus a portion of transaction fees, so that might be tips. So, the basic bottom line is blockchain is what, mining is the how. Blockchain is the what and mining is the how. Crypto mining is a crucial action responsible for the success of some blockchains, like Bitcoin, and is what allows some cryptocurrencies to function without oversight from a third party like a bank. It's also how some new coins are circulated into the market. There you have it. So, if you're interested in Bitcoin mining, that was a quick overview of how crypto miners and Bitcoin miners undertake the process and how it works. You can check out more detail on Fidelity. Okay, people, do let us know in the comment section below. Let us know what you think about Bitcoin or crypto mining. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.